Welcome to Pragmatic. Today we will see what are all the new features added in the quotation in version 19. So I just create a new quotation. In the particular quotation, I just add the catalog. If I click the catalog, it goes to the particular the product screen. In the particular product screen, what I'm able to add is sections. It's a new feature. So, for example, I need to create a quotation for my electrical materials and for wooden materials. Okay, I'm a constructor, so I need to create some set of new sections like electrical materials, electrical materials. So I create this section and select some set of electrical materials like wiring. I need two quantities of or three quantities of wiring, and switch. I need to add two switches and two power cards. And I need some set of. I add these three materials and I create another section for wooden materials. So in the wooden materials, I just select the wooden planks and I need two wooden planks and I need a varnish, two varnish things and I need a wood glue. So I'm added these details. And also I need a nails. I need 10 units of nails. Okay. So once I add these details and I click back to quotation, then everything is added properly. Okay, so the electrical materials, in the electrical materials, what are all the inside the particular electrical material section, it's added properly. In the wooden materials, what are all the materials were added, so you are able to see that it's very easy to add all the details. Okay, fine. So I have the untaxed amount and everything is proper. Okay, now from here there are new features. What are all the new features added in the quotation lines? I just explain one by one. So the first feature is add a line. If you need add a line from this particular section, you just click the add a line and add the capacitor. For example, just add the capacitor. Just add a 10 quantities. Okay, once you add this, automatically the section total will be updated and it's properly aligned. Okay, so this is the add a line feature in the particular section. Okay, the next is add a section. For example, in the electrical material section we added, I need to add another section like for plumbing materials. Okay, just add a section. The section I just add plumbing materials. From here, I am able to add a new line. Okay, so in the plumbing material, if I need to add some set of big screws, I just add. So I need 100 quantities of this. Just add it. Okay, so now if I need to remove this plumbing materials, so we are adding this section as a plumbing materials, but I need to remove this. You don't need to delete or everything. Just select the particular section and delete it. That's it. It will be removed from here. Okay, fine. So now we are adding a section. How to add a section? How to add a subsection? Subsection means in the electrical materials is the section. The electrical materials, I need some set of subsection that like electrical material A, B, like that I need to add. For example, add a subsection. Then automatically new subsection will be created. For example, I need electrical materials only, but electrical material A1. For example, I create a section like this. Okay. So the same thing, I add a line and add whatever the product I need. I just add some set of battery or something like that. Okay. So this is the way. If you add a subsection, automatically the main section total also will be updated. Okay, that is very very important. If you add a section, the particular subsection total you are able to know, and the main section total also will be updated. Okay, so this is the way it will be work. And if I save this, I need to show you to print this particular quotation and how it looks in the quotation, because that is very very important. I need to keep this and show you. Okay, now we are able to see this is the electrical materials, and these are all the products. These are all the wooden materials. Everything we are able to see here. Okay, so I just add this is the electrical materials. Just connect it. Electrical materials here. Okay, so I already show you these are all the properly aligned in my quotation. Okay, everything is properly aligned, and once more I need to click the print button. After this changing the label name, I just keep and open. Now you are able to see the electrical materials is my primary section. In the section, these are all the products. You see in the electrical materials, this is the electrical materials A1 also added against this particular electrical materials. Okay, so this is the subsection. We are able to clearly understood this is the subsection. So it's properly structured. Okay, so now what's the next thing is, I just open this. Next, I need to hide the prices. What's the purpose of the hide prices? For example, my customer needs to know what are all the materials inside the section, but he don't need to know for power card how much rate we are added, switch how much rate we are added. Not needed. So in this particular scenario, we just click hide prices. So automatically it should be light gray. It will be changed, and also I need to apply here also hide the prices. So now I hide the price and save this. I need to print now how it looks in the quotation. So you are able to see in the quotation the electrical materials is there, but the amount is shown properly. But inside the list of materials are shown how much quantity we are planning to use, but the rate is not there. Okay, so this is the way also we are able to manage it. Okay, the section with the list of products, but inside the each and every composite products not able to show, not need to show the rates. Okay, this is the one set of new feature. Okay, fine. Now if I need to show those prices, just click the show prices. That's it. So how it's efficiently using. Okay, now if I print this, you are able to see with previously how it looks. That way we are with the rate we are able to see. Okay, now the next important thing, I need to send this quotation to my customer, but he don't need to see what are all the products inside each and every product. The composition, composite product, he don't need to see. So in that particular thing, what we need to do, we need to hide the composition. Only the section, only section and rate only shown. Just if I click hide the composition, everything will be hidden in the print, not here. If I click hide the composition, so everything will be hidden. Okay, now I need to see in the print how it looks. Just to keep it and show you. Just electrical materials, how much unit, what's the price, what's the rate, that's it. This is the wooden materials, this is the rate, this is the thing. But our internal team needs to know what are all the composite products we are using. Our internal team needs to know, that is very very important. But the customer don't need to see all the details here. Okay, in that scenario we are able to use it. Okay, now I just click it. If I click show composition, it's back. Everything will be back. Just click show composition. Okay, fine. The same thing, there is an option for set optional product. Okay, we are able to add the optional product. Okay, and the next is add a note. What's the purpose of adding this note? So we are sending the quotation for electrical materials. Okay, but what's the purpose of this electrical material? So I am doing some construction business. In the construction business, for this electrical material, for which block or which floor, I need to peculiarly or specifically I need to see the details. Just click add a note here. So I need to drag this particular area to this. Okay, so I need to add the electrical materials. So for example, the electrical materials for block A floor 1. Okay, so this is the way we are easily add the note and the customer also understand clearly this electrical materials quotation for this block and this floor, like that. As per your business you are adding the note. Okay, the same thing in the wooden materials also I need a note. Okay, just add a note. So I just drag and drop from here to that, wherever you need you just add it. The wooden materials for block A, but this is not for floor 1, this is for floor 2. For example, just add it. Okay, so if you add it like this, then the customer clearly knows this electrical materials for this purpose, this wooden material for this purpose. Okay, now you print this, it's very clearly known by the customer. So if I keep this, now you are able to see this is the electrical materials. This is the total cost. This is the purpose. The electrical materials for block A floor 1. These are all the details. This is the wooden material. The wooden materials for block A floor 2. So we are able to see the quotation is very structured way. This is the way. This is the electrical material. This is for this purpose. That purpose. That's the purpose of note. Okay. Just remove this. Okay, fine. Now, I just, if my manager needs to confirm this quotation, so before this confirmation, my manager told, why you add the electrical materials on top? First, the wooden material should be added. Why you are doing like that? If he is telling, then we need to go back and change everything previously. Now you just click move down. That's it. You see, electrical materials going here and wooden materials going on top. Okay, my manager change his mind. He needs. So I need like previously, electrical material should be top and wooden material should be down. Like that, anything will happen. Just click and add a move down. Okay, so if you need from here, there is a move up, move down. Okay, move up, move down. From here we are able to move down. Like that, multiple things we are able to change accordingly based on the situations, based on the preference we are able to change. And you're also able to drag and drop. You change the list of products list also we are able to change. Okay, so these are all the good features added in the version 19. Okay, now this is the electrical materials for block A floor 1. Now I need to create the same electrical materials for floor 2. Same setup, everything is same. Why I need to create once more? Just there is an option, duplicate option. You just click the duplicate option, everything will be created, same setup, same section will be created once more. Just click. That's it. Electrical materials, everything will be created like this. I just add, this is for block A only, but this is for floor 2. Just to save this. Now I print this. Now you are able to see. That's it. This is the electrical materials. This is the electrical material for block A floor 1. The electrical materials for electrical material block A for floor 2. And this is the electrical materials A1 subsection. Now you are able to see the wooden material list. Okay. This is the way we are able to structure our quotations as per our plan. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching.